Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.